Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again in another video. We came back to you when the daily candle finished, guys. So let's see what the market given us here. So as you see that the daily candle is finished here. Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you like that. So what you see in here, it came today a big engulfing candle, and now the data it came, why the candle came like that, because a lot of demand it's been in the exchange of FTX, then the others they follow it, big whales they buying. So I tell it to you before me, what did I told you? I told you need to make a close eye at that level here, so make a close eye at it. So when the market came to it here, big whales they buying from those levels, they're not buying, they just goes here pending orders in those levels. So when it came to it, the market, the orders of them, they get executed. So them, they enter, and that will move the market out that much. And even here, down here, the volume, it's spiking very high today. But as I tell it to you guys, it's still very, 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 very early for you to enter long. I told you also we got here, that zone here, I showed it to you in the previous video, that one, and that candle here, it came to that zone, and now it's showing there rejection. So make a close eye at it. The only way you're going to enter long, I tell it that to you in the previous video, it need the market to give you here a big W like this. If it doesn't give it to you like this, and to come and to break for you the last high, which is here, guys, if it doesn't do that, don't enter long. Till now me, I'm thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, and I'm going to explain to you why. Always if the coming days bring to us like that and give us a W like that, then we're going to believe the Bitcoin is going to go higher than that. And that one here, that 17k is going to be the last low reached to it. But till now, it's still early. It's me to show you why. I show you that indicator before, by the way, and I explain it. There is a video here in the channel. You can just search for it. You're going to find it. That indicator, as you see here, those ones, the cycles, guys, and that cycles like they taken. Let me explain it to you like that, very simple. Like they got one certain number of Bitcoin in the market. Let's say they got 1 million. That's just an example. They got 1 million. When it came that cycle here, that one, they take it off out from the market. They take it 500k or 500,000. So it's going to still only 500,000. So that 500,000, what that meant? It meant that demand is going to be higher than the supply. People, they demand in the Bitcoin, it's more higher than the people they selling it. So when is going to be the next cycle? Is it at 2024, guys? And here, that one not yet become blue, guys. As you see it every time. It's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you what else we're talking about. As you see it, it needs to become like that. It needs to become like that for us to know is the right time. Yes, also we are very close. As you see it, it started getting darker blue now a little bit, but not yet. It needs to become blue like that. Then also we are going to know also we are heading for another run, guys. Everything is very simple, guys, to you. You get what I'm saying or not? Yes, now if you are an investor, now is the right time for you to buy. I'm talking for investors. If you are an investor, now just they say, my friend. Just they say no, forget about everything. It's going back to the chart to explain to you more. So as I told you, if you are an investor, just they say just start buying once a week, once a day, once a month. It's up to you what you're going to buy, because now also we are in a very, very, very stronger level. And I tell it to you, big whales they buying, and I told you why the reason why that move happening. Because of the big whales they buying here. They've been in FTX, in the exchange of FTX. So even the big whales they buy now, so why not you? I think everything is too clear here. And here, let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. And here in my chart, if you see, guys, here, what I got in my chart here, I got that channel here, as you see it, and the lower of it is here. By the way, that channel is very stronger, as you see it, where it started here, here, and here. And that one, that white one, that one, and that one is a wage, is a falling wage. Now, that channel, what it happened here, if you see with me here, touch it the first time here, now it's near to it again. So you need to make a close eye at those things, guys. And that level me I told you here, that one with yellow, as you see it, it came to it again. I tell you that level exactly from here. And those ones that target me I have, as you see them, that one with yellow is 19,462. Another one is it here at 17,207. Another one here down is it at 12,867. Those ones the targets me I got. If it doesn't hold for us here, it's going to fall down till here, guys. If it doesn't hold here, there is 10k down. Those ones the target, and those ones where me I put in dependent orders. I'm not lying at you. Those ones the levels where me I put in dependent orders. I put one order here is getting triggered. I put another one here. And I put another one here, and I put another one in 10k, and the last one I got it in 6,000. Those ones the levels me I got. Any one of those ones is getting triggered, I'll forget about it. I just use it to earn interest rate for my Bitcoin, and I'll leave it. So picture is very clear in front of you guys. And here in the weekly, what did I told you here? By the way, those candles here, those ones, that tree here, if they finish it like that, is a very bullish signal. I'm talking about those candles, guys. Those ones, if they finish that like that, is a very bullish signal. But the week it's still for it 2 days, guys. Also today we are in Friday. It's still Saturday. Also we are today in Saturday, sorry. And it's still Sunday. So it's left all the whole day today and tomorrow. So if they finish like that, it's a very bullish signal when you need to enter. If it's break for you, the 200 moving average here. If it doesn't break it for you, no matter how long, also we stay down in that 200 moving average, guys, also we still falling down more. Where we are going to know the bears finish it, and the bulls they take control when we break in the 200 moving average. Everything is too clear, guys. Everything is very simple, nothing hard, nothing complicated. And here I tell it to you, is going to be the best thing happening to the Bitcoin when that one give you like that and like that. Everything is very simple, guys. And here that indicator of me, that one, I tell it to you before, I told you that one is very, very, very rare. He enter here at the oversold area, and I'll show you all those things. As you see, he enter here in 2019, and now we are in it, because also here we are in the weekly, guys. So if you are an investor, just they say and forget about the rest, just buying few. And here what you got, as you remember here, what you got here, you got a trend line, as you see it. You need to make a close eye if it's going to come to it to touch it. If it came here, it's going to give you here in the chart a W, and that one is indicating also we are going to go higher. Everything is too clear here. Let's go back to the daily to see what is it there, guys. So my friend, here as I tell it to you, you need to make a close eye at that level here and that one here where you are now. Those levels you need to make a close eye at them, what the market is going to react at them. If he break that one like that and came like that, and that one, that level here, after it's being broken, is going to be a support, because now is a resistance. As you see it here is a resistance. If it's being broken here and it went up, so it's going to become a support here, and like that it will going up. That is going to be the best scenario. But till now, nothing of that happening. Till now, also we're still in a bear market, guys. Or here, the market to give us as I tell it to you at W. If it doesn't give it to you, don't enter. Because as I show you fundamental, macroeconomic, everything is still showing very bad. Plus we are going to head for another crash, guys, because the winter is it in the doors, inflation is getting increasing more, the federal is saying they are going to hike more interest rate. So what you accepting? Everything it's looking bad. Yes, that one here, it might the days say I'm wrong, but that one for me, it's like just a trap. To put small investors to enter, then they will drop it more. So make a close eye at those things. Let's see our indicator, what it says for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, was when he touched here, he went up till here, till that level where we are here, but till now there is nothing indicating here us we go out from the bear's control to the bull's control. Why? Because if you look in here, that one here in the middle is like a wall. Also we have it here, it hasn't been touched, it hasn't been broken. And here in the top we got that long term trend. By the way, show it to you in the previous video, go and watch it if you are not watching it. By the way, are you not subscriber yet in our channel? I'm talking to you, you watch me now. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin, guys. You done it? And if you be a subscriber, smash the like button. Help us to growing up more that channel. People, they give you just rubbish analysis and they got 100k subscribers. Also give you very highly in-depth analysis, my friend. So help us to growing up more that channel. So what I told you, that one here, there is maybe it's going to come till here to touch that trend line. Then after that it's going to drop. So also we still in a bear market, guys. Remember my word. It's our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, it's indicating it's going out from here. It's indicating it's going out from the oversold area. down here, as you see it. But let's wait in the coming days what's going to bring for us, guys. Till now, there is nothing yet confirmed. Everything is too clear, guys. Everything is very, 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 very simple. As you see here, it tried to give you here a small divergence like that, but is not yet 100% because the lower it was here. So there is no divergence there. I think everything is too clear. Let's go in now to the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, the picture is more clear here. So as you see here, the 200 moving average here, the one, how it's reacting there. Let's zoom it. What you see in there? Here, what you see? That the 200 moving average, the one with blue, is 200 moving average, the simple one. And that candle here, that one, it's indicating like a pin bar. It's being pushing from the top. And that moving average, it's reacting here like a resistance, like a very stronger resistance, guys. Remember my word. And here where we are us, let me show you where we are us now. Look here, very, very, very close with me. Actually, me, I got it in my chart, but me, I just want to show it to you like that. Here, look here. You came here, what the market being doing there. I don't want to go back here in that zone here. Where you are now. The market is being here, reacting like a supply and demand zone, guys. Yes or no? So make a close eye at those things. Let's see it in my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, look at it. Very, 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 very clear here. What we got? We got here the channel, the one, and the one. He touched the top of it like that. Now what? My view personally is going to make like that to stay ranging here. And after that, it's going to drop. And that's the level me I'm talking about. The one. Here, as you see it, you are in it. So my view personally, I think is going to drop unless if it came and breaking for us that upper of the channel here. That is going to be another story, but also we got another one here in the top. Everything is too clear, guys. Everything is very simple. That up one is the daily channel. I showed it to you before. Is it that one? As you see it, that one is the daily channel, guys. As you see it, and that one is a very small channel here. So it's going to touch it here. Then after that, it's going to drop again, guys, to 12K. Remember my word. That's what the Bitcoin is going to do. Also, it's still here down in the 200 moving average. So as you see it, when is it down in the 200 moving average, it's always falling. Yes, sometimes it stay ranging like that, but when you are down in it, it's always falling. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear here. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, if you remember what me I tell you before about it. That indicator of me here, when it enters the overbought or the oversold, is very highly chance the market is going to drop. Let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. Look here with me, guys. Here, and not the picture, it's not that clear, but I try to explain to you like that for everyone to understand. Look with me where it entered to the oversold area. Here. Where is it here? Is it here? What happened after that? We fall down from 29K to 17K. Where is the other time? Here. Look at it. We've been at 40K, 40 something K. We fall down from there till here. Where we are now? Here. Another time here. And now, is it at it again, guys? Look at it. I think now it's good. There is a big crash is coming. So make a close eye with me about those things me I'm telling you. I think everything is too clear, guys. That one now, we don't need it. Let's delete it because it's very small now. Me personally, I know something not normal happening when that one entering here to the overbought or oversold. When it enters the oversold, I'll tell it to you. And look what's happening here. And now, is it here at the overbought? I think now there is a big crash going to come, my friend. Because that indicator is not the normal settings you know. That one also use it with personal settings. By the way, if you want to use it, how also use it, down below in the first comment, there is our Bitcoin investing course. Go and use that indicator. In that course, we explain to you everything how we use it. If you want to learn from us, so I think everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, it become here green. That means you are at the overbought area. And here I show you all those things. And here now the price is live. It's showing a big red candle. As you see it, it's falling. In just 1 hour, it's left for 3 hours and it's showing a big red candle. So you need to make a close eye at that level here. Here, if it's going to hold or not. To get it, to come to the last here. So let me show it to you. To the last of those candles here. Those ones, you draw it like that, a level or a zone like that. Then it's going to, when it's going to come here, make a close eye at it. If it's going to reverse from here to break for you to give you another high, that time enter long. Don't wait. I just tell it to you now. If it came, sorry, let me show it to you for the picture to be more clear to you. If you came here to that zone here, that one, like that. You're drawing a trend line like that, or a level, or a horizontal line. If the price of the Bitcoin fall down to here and here, give you a pin bar or a candle doing like that, don't enter from here. Wait in the last high, which is here. That's when it's going to break for you the 200 moving average. If it's break it for you, enter long. Me, I tell it to you. If it came like that and do it like that, enter long. Don't look behind you. Everything is too clear, my friend. If it do like that, enter long. Because what it's doing here, high, low, another high. You are in an uptrend. The trend is changing from downtrend to uptrend. But if the Bitcoin chart from that level where we are now here, he fall down to that level like that, then you got here another level here down. Then he do like that. He fall down till here. Then he go back here. Then after that, he fall down and breaking for you the last low, which is here, that one. If you got any buying order, close it. Because you are going to go lower than it's going to break for you even that level here. You are going to 12K. Remember my word. Watch me, I'm telling you. Because there is no power to break in the 200 moving average, guys. I think everything is too clear. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, as you see it, also now we are in an uptrend, as you see it. But here, let's zoom it. Here, what the Bitcoin is showing here. Bitcoin here, it's showing like a small W as you see it. If it's breaking for you the last low of it here, maybe it's going to fall down to touch the 200 moving average, guys. But here, the same thing I tell it to you before. If it happened here, the same thing I tell it to you before. If it happened here, the price of the Bitcoin fall down to the 200 moving average here, and our indicator will give you, is it at the oversold area? And here you get a price action, you enter long. Target of you, it needs to be here. Everything is very simple, guys, because it's going to go to break the last high here. But here, if you see, I show it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it again. Here, what you seeing? The divergence in the volume, guys. Yes or no? The chart here is going up, but the volume is falling down. So I told you, also now we are going for a small crash. I told you need to make a close eye at the 200 moving average here. But the market is going to react to it. If the 200 moving average here reacted like a support, that's when the Bitcoin is going to go higher. If it's not, it's going to fall down. Everything is too clear here. It's our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, as you see it, it's indicating now also we are at the overbought area. I told you here, it gives you a double top. Here, there is a divergence in the volume. If it's breaking for you here, or people using margin, they enter short, the take profit of them to be here at the 200 moving average, stop loss of them to be up here, because if you're using margin, you need always to use stop loss. Without stop loss, don't use margin. If you're going to trade without stop loss, don't use margin, just invest for long term. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, my friends. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.